Yeah, hello everyone. Good evening. Hope you guys have a lovely day today. Yeah, I'm here to talk about some issues because some of my friends even coming from Nigeria to share the video with me. Understand? Some guys now, they will just come here on Facebook, start saying rubbish about ladies. Oga, may I even first leave English? Oga, let me tell you guys the truth. Let me do what? Let me tell you guys the truth. If you guys continue coming here on Facebook, start saying rubbish about ladies out there, come, wait till make girls enter streets, if not because of guy. Girl go there with you now. Girl go there with you now for 12 years, 13 years. Hopefully that you will get married to her someday. You will now see some side chick. Then you will dump her for the person. And you now expect that kind of a girl now, if any man should cross her way, she will not hit that man raw. Or God, she go eat you dry. She go do what? She go to eat you dry. But now they complain say woman they flex. Woman no they one side. Woman they like to test all guys. Why you men too they test all woman? Why una too they test all woman? One woman no they agree una. I be not be the same pussy where they for the other girl. Oh yansh, now in there for that your girlfriend where they loyal to you, where respect you. Not be the same thing they under them. I forgot that guy's name, so I should have called your name in here so that this video is going to pass through you there. Why are you guys so selfish? Because God don't give una power now. Say make una they ride upon us because woman they say okay, if woman don't settle down now, you know go fit go outside, go cheat on his. Fine, good, yes. A man that is capable of himself, I don't think a woman should go outside to start flexing around. But why can't you not ask yourself as a guy that waiting they make my wife go the fuck for us? I wear my my dig no they reach her. I be the see what they do for her. She's not pleased. Which woman go here say in guy go the fuck up? I be they go up and down. Go the fuck up and down. Which woman won't take that kind of rubbish? More not talk you guys. Let's say the facts. Which woman? Baba, my ladies, my slim mamas, where they online, more not come online, I beg. We need to talk this issue today. Una go the talk say because una girlfriend go the fuck, you be G-boy. Come, the client say they pay you, now your papa open the company for them. Ahmed, I be waiting you call your name safe. Now your papa open the company for am where the company thought say the company no go dry. I been every day go they pay you. They work for the my company. Now go outside there, go they meet many girls. You think say we woman where we cover ourselves, our face with as in we cover our face with we are like as in we be woman, our appearance too now. Do you think say all of us will be woman? Ogbanje dey o, Ogbanje dey among us. Yes, Ogbanje dey among us. And some girls bad luck don't they follow them from their mama womb. You go come fuck them finish. You go come they broke as a broke nigga. You go come they talk say now that your girlfriend. Now that your girlfriend they cause your the way where your maye no pay. Say now your girlfriend cause am. Baba make una wash una self. Why una no fit hold only your dig? Why una no fit hold only this one girl? Why una no fit hold am? Make una two stay one place. Make I consider maybe the lady self no go stay one place. Now na character. They make woman go the fuck around. You don't understand? I have one girl and I don't want to call her name here. She dated a guy for 13 solid years. And do you know the surprising thing? The girl where the boy said the girl where she go marry, the boy go marry for this my friend side now, eh? You know even what that my girlfriend for his slippers, you know, too ugly. But now the boy they regret they regret. My brothers, I'm begging you people, stop condemning ladies. Watch your own way. Watch your character. Watch your behavior. and see maybe that woman will not stay one place and put her pussy one place. For a woman to go outside, you don't hear something and you don't see something. Now no say disease there outside. Now go keep woman for us. Now go do flesh to flesh with her, and you go see go carry your go they do flesh to flesh. Now come face because they talk rubbish for you. Go punish all of you now. I just a verse as I just see that video today. When my friend just sent that video for me for WhatsApp, I just a verse since morning. So which kind of rubbish talk be this one? The boy can't finish the talk. Finish. He say, oh, he interesting woman, interesting girl die. Say make other ladies say that they change. Baba, no trust any woman, no. No trust them. Because if you no do normal thing for her, Baba, you go see carry that your pussy go fuck with another guy where they make her happy, where they do everything for her, where they loyal to her. Okay? More na suffer to come they talk rubbish. Now this model life self, I can't they see many things. Guess where they use the do ritual now. No be una guy they cause am. If you know they give that girl broken of heart, you go enter street or you go they do a shout talk like say they will come use and they will kill him. Make una too they think now. If your sister come out now, come they tell you say see what my boyfriend do for me. How will you people feel? How will you people feel if na your own blood sister oh come and say brother as I dey loyal, you know say I dey loyal to this guy. You know say I know they comot, I know they fuck. If even guy toss me for street server, they wash them as I like, all because of the love why I get for am. But bros at last we see what he do. And some guys in here, the funniest part, your girlfriend go there for house. Now your girlfriend best friend now go dey fuck. Now your friend was in your girl best friend. Now you now they go around go they fuck. Now no they get shame. But if now woman do that one now, everyone na head to go fuck. Wait till happen. What we do now? Wait till happen. No be blood they run for na veil. And if you hear now say the girl now go do one rubbish with your boyfriend, I be your best friend where you call nigga. Una head go they spark like say make they put fire, make they burn that head for una. Wait till happen. I bet make una change, oh. Make una change. Dey with one girl, make it come to say, maybe God no go bless you. Now they hear me so. Make una stay with one particular girl, just one girl. Data for 6 months or 1 year. If your story if you not cheat on the girl, oh, say na the only that girl pussy you dey fuck. Baba, your story must change. That client said when no one pay, go pay by force. And after all, this na yahoo na they do self. Na to carry and put for head do. Some stupid guy now go collect money for clients. They'll come Facebook, they snap, they post. The thing will not no rich. Now come here. Baba, no girl will be bad luck, yo. No girl will be bad luck. If you as a man, where you know say woman they loyal to you, and you know they go outside, go they sell in body, either you kill her or in hunger or anything, she go still there for you. If you even broke self, I know some real G. Oh my God! Shout out to all my slim mamas. Shout out to all you now. I hear una they try for the better guys. Oh, una they try. And as you dey with her, when una dey loyal to Ram, God go do better thing for una. But my sister, any fucking guy, any broke niggas where they do anyhow, fuck anyhow, do anyhow with your body, he don't put ring for your hand. He don't put ring. I be the John and Destiny together come life. I mean me boy, as in Ahmed, I don't want to see that kind of post again for Facebook. Oh. I don't want to see that kind of post again. If you know say you don't get anything to talk, I beg, stay for your house. Stay your house and drink your gari, and remember, say you still get mama, oh, you get mama. And I'm sure this Ahmed, if your mama don't do okpo, your mama don't do a shower before. For you to have all the history as girls they do, you try. You try, oh, you too try, well. Man, I have to go now. I have to go. I wish all of you good night and blessed sweet dream. Thank you all. Bye.